हाँ हाँ, क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई मेरी। चाय दे दो मम्मी।
Hello, class. Very good evening, everyone. Good evening, Switri. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Uh, Nil- Nilarghya, uh, Anamika, Arjit, Anushka, Anurag, Rebecca, Vivek, Tarunima, Ananya. Welcome, everyone, for today's session. Please confirm if you can see the screen very well. Streaming is going well with you, and my voice is loud enough. On these notes, we will continue further. Venus, very good evening. Let's confirm if the voice and everything is good. Only then we will start ahead. Please confirm in the chat box. Voice is okay. Do I have to speak louder than this? Sounds good. Sounds good. Because once we start, then we will not stop. If things are not working at the start level, then it's not good, na? Okay, good to hear that. So this session will be recorded automatically. The link that I have shared with you, the whatever that chat that I'm having with you at the moment, I am speaking. It will be all recorded in this YouTube streaming very well. Okay, good. So everything is recorded. So whenever you want to come and check it, so you can have a look about it. So don't worry. So you can increase the quality to 480p also. So maximum you can get the 480p because sometimes the words will be very small. So please do change your resolution to 480p while doing the presentation. Sometimes things might go down. Okay, so it's 6:05 already? Yes, it is. So we can start now. So we can see that maximum 23 people have joined us. So here you can see that concurrent viewers like 23 and yeah. So please do also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I already had 800 something. I need to make it 1000, but it's not happening. Anyhow, so I'm back in Delhi. That's the best part, and there is a lockdown. So work from home is already started. I'm very happy. I was having a lot of symptoms of fever and some kind of things, but I have taken the medicine, so I have recovered it very well so far. I hope things will be fine with me too. And yeah, if I'm not fine in the next few days, some other trainer will be there for you. But at the moment, I'm very healthy and wise. My brain is working. Otherwise, because when there's high fever, the brain starts to stop working and it's just so fuzzy. And we cannot train our students as good as we are, like, in healthy mode. So I'm all good. If things are not working good with me, so I will ask the EduFabrica team to replace myself with another trainer. But at the moment, I'm good. And please pray that I'll remain good. Okay, so let's come to the serious note. What we will be learning during this part. So that's why I was saying that during this YouTube streaming, I will be sharing my screen always, my desktop. So that would be very healthy and easy to go. So all the videos or anything that I want to play, I can play directly here. You can make notes out of it. Yeah. So this is the plan that I have made for like 10 days, but I think this will continue for next 25 days or so, from Monday to Friday, where we will be dealing with basic first day the basics principle of MBBT. So all the basics about DNA, RNA transcription. So I mean, I have seen on that on the first day that there are many students were from bachelors and masters, and some were resident doctors also. So it's a mixture of seniors and juniors. Uh, so the who are senior doctors, medical doctors, I really appreciate that you have chosen this course. But at your level, because you're very senior, so but this course has been created for the basic students, like for the bachelor's or master's students. So it's not the advanced level of molecular biology or biochemistry techniques. It's very so that a student is aware of what are the basic techniques that are used in lab day-to-day life in order to achieve the results in the molecular biology or biochemistry field. So, so keeping that in mind, so this might be quite basics for the seniors. So that's I want to make one point here. So we will first go with the basics of MBBT, like molecular biology. Then on the day two, we will be dealing with the cell culture techniques and microscopy. Then comes the molecular biology techniques. Then on the day fourth, we will deal with the RDT, your recombinant DNA technology techniques related to that. Then comes that's a special one. I really like it. Is the protein quantification, separation, and purification. Various types of chromatography, electrophoresis, SDS page, 2D electrophoresis, mass spectrometry, so everything will be included in that. Then day 6, separation of molecules by electrophoresis, blotting techniques, FACS analysis, bioinformatics, then applications of recombinant DNA technology and molecular biology technology. So like this, we will be dealing each part of it very slowly and a very easy way, so that things are easy to learn, easy to go, and you can have it. So I have already shared this document with you on that day uh, before leaving to Delhi. So I think you have this in the group. I will not share this one. And then next. Let's discuss about review writing. So, in the review writing, you need to have a title page with the title, your name, date, and abstract has to be there. Yeah, and the abstracts need to be around 200 to 300 words, and it should include your summary of the review question, that what you are looking for. It should be including the summary related to that, and the primary study reviewed and conclusions of the study. So we need to also, uh, in this abstract, we should not cite any references. It should be just a straightforward, nice summary of your whole research. Then comes the introduction. Yeah. And the introduction, you write the topics of study which serve as identification sentence. And it should indicate what the article contains and clearly outline the order in which every subtopic will be discussed To give the reader background information needed to understand the sections in the article. So introduction should be like, if you're talking about disulfide bridges or cysteine, then you should write the importance of it. Why should one study about that topic and what it will bring to our society, like very like to cure the diseases like heart failure, cancer, or any other diseases, how it could be really helpful for the society. So you have to bring attention of the audience in your introduction paragraph. Then comes your body. So this includes the subtopics that you're addressing, that further subheadings that this topic is the main concern is this, and our main further subtopics that we want to address that come under your body. Then comes the conclusion at the end, that the summary, like everything, whatever you have explained. Then you bring the rationale, like, okay, what was the purpose of this article, why you have written this, and how it could be beneficial for the society. And then at the end, references, you can use any reference style. So you can cite at the end. And yes, it has to be the paper. Please note down, because I have seen many students keep asking me later part, sir, please tell us how to do this, what should be the things. So please do write down in your notebook. So whenever you are sitting with me in your class from 6 to 7, it's my highly request to all of you, whether uh, yeah, to all of you, that please do get your notebook out, get your pen or pencil with you, and start writing, and start writing whatever I'm telling you. Because once the lectures are over, especially the online lectures, that's what it's my own experience. We just tend to forget many things. So please do write the things, that how the your review article should be. So it should be around minimum 25 pages to 30 pages, 25 to 30 pages, excluding your references, and it should have minimum 10% of plagiarism. Yeah, minimum 10% plagiarism, 20 to 30 pages, and it should not be include cite any references from more than 5 years. Less than, it should be less than 5 years. References need to be less than 5 years. And yeah, if you're writing any figure, making any figure, please do it by yourself in a PowerPoint or Adobe Photoshop. Don't copy figures straightforwardly from any paper. So this has to be taken care. So I can share some good review articles. Somebody write very small article, it was not a big one, about mesoporous silica nanoparticles for drug discovery. So here is the abstract, keywords, introduction, with very nice references coming up. Then body, this diagram is there. Yeah. um, like this, continuing, at then conclusion, then author contribution, then references. And references need to be more than 50. The more you add references, the better is your reference or review article. Anurag Bhatnagar, you can use any style, reference style, because If you want to publish a journal, which I cannot promise from my side, um, because whatever I'm getting from students, it's not up to the mark to publish. And I have not much time that I can put my efforts to publish them. So if you want to publish, you have to send me something really good articles where if I have to put efforts, I can see, okay, if I put this things are clear, it could be published in a nice journal, because most likely I do not like to publish in a paid journal. So there are many in India very predatory journals where you can just pay 1,000, 2,000 rupees and it's get published. It has no meaning, it has no use, it's just waste of your money and waste of your academics. If you want to publish, go and publish in open access. Open access means that you can publish it without paying, and it's openly accessed to everyone. So there are many journals which has open access to it, and you can publish it nicely there. So you have to put some good effort in order to get the things done nicely. So any questions so far regarding writing review article? Any questions so far? So you can decide your topics. I have shared two files with you on that day for the topic. Um, One was this, like gene therapy, RNA interference, genome editing, drug delivery, DNA synthesis, stem cell research, maturation of sperm cells, genetic engineering, monoclonal antibodies. So you can choose any topics from them. So I also have shared yesterday. Yeah, this one. This I also really like it. Biopesticides, synthetic cells, edible vaccines, DNA chips, chloroplast, terminator, seed technology, seed storage proteins. So it's a mixture of agriculture and plant biotech, everything mixed, mixture of everything. You can choose any topics you feel like. Go with that, whatever you feel. So I have shared you how to write the review format, the topics for internship. We have discussed the objective now. So what are the four documents that I have shared? Um, is all being uh, shared nicely. Yeah. Okay. So any further questions on till now? Please do ask me now. So only then we can proceed further. Feel free to ask, and because you will have many questions, I know. I mean, Savitri Ojha, it will be nice if it is near to your R&D sphere, because it will really help to uh, open up yourself. What other recent things has been done within your field, and it will make you more aware of your field, and may make you more confident about your R&D. So choose related to your R&D. Anyone? I will give you 5 minutes here, or 3 minutes more, 25. Then we will start the topic of today. Hmm. I think also at your side, work from home. Oh, sorry, your classes are online. All the colleges are closed now in Maharashtra and everywhere. Even in UP, our colleges were closed. We were told that we will work from home till 24th of April, and let's see. So Khushi Raj Mittal, um, that's what I said. I will be happy if we do it in a group. Try to talk in the chat box, share your topic that you want to write that topic, and get the people who are interested in that topic, and then you write it together. Do it in the group, bacha. If somebody is interested, if somebody is interested, in one topic, then get together and write that one. Otherwise, do it. Sunny Pal, सर रिव्यू पेपर कौन से टॉपिक्स पर लिखना है, इंटर्नशिप वाले पीडीएफ से या दूसरे पीडीएफ से? बच्चे दोनों दोनों में से आप लिख सकते हैं। आप दोनों में से कोई भी टॉपिक चूज कर सकते हैं। मैंने तो जस्ट एग्जांपल दिया है आपको, आप कोई भी चूज कर सकते हैं। Yes, in group it's always good. Okay, so that was something about how the sessions will be, how the topics are given, how the review article has to go through. Uh, and yes, now one more thing. This was the review article part. This but review article is, I'm saying it. The benefit is that I want to make you all aware of academia, because in academics it's all about writing your research articles, your research potential uh, thing which could come into the society, and you need to show to the scientific world. Otherwise, it's uh, it's of no use if if you keep reading hundreds of papers of particular topic and you can't summarize them together in your own words and bring it to the audience that okay, this is what I've understood from this particular research. So that doesn't make any sense for the society and for us to be a scientist. So that's the benefits of writing review article. Swastik. Okay. Many universities ask for publications during PhD admissions. This will be helpful. Yeah, another thing is at the PhD level, no one is expecting from you any paper actually. During the PhD in India, it's very hard competition. You need to clear GATE, you need to clear NET exam. There are many criteria to get into the better PhD college. There are private universities which can give you a PhD just by paying you money to them, and I will highly recommend don't do it. It's waste of your money, and people who will be guiding you, they will be, I don't want to use a word for them because I have seen this. And it's always better to do your PhD at a very nice government institute, very well structured, because this will take your pain of like 4 to 5 years. And doing it from the recognized university or private institute, it has to be, yeah, a good one. So but MLA style or other way of literature citation is just like um, so it's just if you're using any software, like I was using Mendeley in referencing the things. So this is the MLA style. So you write the author, title of source, title of container, other contributor, version, number, publisher, publishing date, location. So this is how people are using this. This is a way of Writing your referencing your style. So there are many way of doing it. This is not big deal. You can use any style if you want to use it.